Hello and welcome to an absolutely beautiful day in Wicklow. Today I am back down at the same spot I was the last day. If you haven't seen the previous video, I'll put a link somewhere up here. So the last day I was here, I was over the far side of the river. I brought along just the normal NWV4. So I've done a sample from over there. The only place in which I did actually get gold was this section of bedrock. This is bedrock in a main river at the side of a mountain. So now I have the rake with me and the pry bar. All I'm doing today is just crevicing and getting material out of here, screening it to the 1/4 inch and running it through the Sluicebox. The less I can carry, the better. Quick shout out to my buddy Graham, who inspired this setup. So what we have is my E-swing pan, big 16-inch pan because it's lightweight, 1/4 inch classifier in the back, pickaxe for getting into the crevices, machete in case like this there's any branches dangling my way, a small sucker tube on the side of the bag, and in the bag is the Sluicebox. 1 bucket cultivator, that's it, nothing else. Been down there already, got a little bit of gold. I think I'm more than likely going to start here. So first thing I need to do is find out where the bigger gold is. Got 1 piece of wire gold down there. This is going to be great fun. Really looking forward to this. So that's the plan. We know what we're doing. Set up the camera, I do my own thing, you watch. So now that we have the plan and now we know what we're doing, only one thing left for us. It is of course for, let's go find the shiny. Yeah! That's a rock. It's kind of hard to see because I can't see it underwater. Hard to figure out what is bedrock and what is rock. Like a lot of what's here is just rocks that are just jammed in the clay and muck. I'm just putting stuff downstream here just to create a bit of a dam for the sucker tube to work. Right, so I'm into some nice gravels now. What I'm going to do is going to pop you in the fast frame mode. I do have the other camera, I have a little mount for that as well, so we can have multiple cameras. And just my luck, it is a big river that I've started finding gold on, and it is the end of August. Now just found a great gold deposit. Right, time to crack on with it. Let's go find the shiny. Just stop for a few minutes for a quick snack to upgrade the energy. Let's have a quick look and see how we're getting on gravel wise. Oh yeah, full, happy days. Right, that's grand. Let's go sluice it. Let's go find the shiny. Okay, the camera just went for a swim there, so hopefully you can hear me. Right, let's crack on with this. Let's go find some shiny. I hope they can hear me. Sometimes when the camera gets wet, the microphone gets muffled, but I ran through the whole bucket there. Not seeing an awful lot. I see a lot of garnets there, but there's nothing unusual with that. Just gonna clean out the sluice box now. Right, let's just crack on with it. Let's go find the shiny. Right, so I cleaned out the sluice box. As you saw there wasn't many places to put the camera, and the camera went for a swim a few times, but whatever. This is my E-swing pan. It's the 16-inch. Garage is Super Sluice is only 15-inch, so it's a little bit bigger. Everything was clean beforehand. Bucket was clean. Pan was clean. I shouldn't have to say it, but I don't salt. I want to know what's here. What's the point of me putting gold into this to go, hey, look at it's gold, isn't it great? I want to know where it is. Right, let's work this on down. See where we're at. And again, I'm not doing any lessons today. Bring it forward, stratify twice. I'm just panning it the way I pan. And again, I'm working it from the shoulder. See, there you go again, giving lessons. Have to embrace this new concept that I'm just simply out for the day, having a laugh, and you're following along for the process. Sweet, so let's get out of the water, go over to this part where there's a bit of sunlight. Let's see how we get on. Sun is behind me, so that's not too bad. Push everything into the corner where there's no riffles. Alright, let's see if we on the gold. Genuinely hoping for something nice. If not, I'll just go downstream into the next pond. Yeah, got gold. Nice. One speck of gold. Just find somewhere where the sun isn't behind the camera. Yeah, you can see these. Remember what I was saying before about gold will be bright in the darkness. Look, there's the dark. And there's the light. It's still bright. Whereas pyrite would be bright only in the brightness, but it would dull in the dark, and gold is still bright in the darkness. Okay, so that's not great. One speck from an entire bucket. Now granted, it was probably a lot of overburden. I was going to say I just moved downstream to the next little pond, but I think what I might do is skip that and go straight to the pond where I got the gold from the last day. There's only a limited amount of daylight, only a limited amount of resources, and being such a warm day, there's only so much resources I can bring with me. So, and then we'll see where we're at. And then look, if there's no gold there, let's keep working it. But that's what you got to do. You got to keep pressing and constantly assessing. Last time I done a wider assessment of the whole place, whereas this time I'm doing some very, very specific tests. So that's what you got to do. Right, let's just crack on with it. Let's go find the shiny. So we're back to the spot I got the gold the last day. First thing I need to do is find somewhere to kneel, pulling at it and see which rocks will move. Oh yeah, baby. And these are iron. Yes, iron is heavy. Broken bedrock. That's exactly what we want to see. Big enough that I might just leave that there and I'll kneel on that instead. Oh, look at that. More iron. There we go. So this is the section that I worked out of previously. If you find something smooth, you know that's travel down the mountain. If you find something jagged, it's native to here. It is, in fact. Yeah, I can feel it under the water. There's pockets and pools everywhere. Oh yes. So I'm going to try and move this one, get some of those rocks out of the way, start filling this up. But I have a feeling this is going to be better. And anyway, let's face it, this is where I got gold before. Right, time to crack along with it. Let's go find the shiny. Look at the shaly material. Look at that. Broken, shaly bedrock. Despite all the advancements in technology, the easiest way for me to get it, I just picked these up in the hardware store for $5. And it's just simply so I can get into the cracks in the bedrock and literally pick up the dirt. Just put a bit of water in that, just so it's all underwater, we can clear it. I have to say, of all the things I can do, my absolute all-time favourite thing to do is this, crevicing, and scoop out handfuls of dirt that hopefully have gold in them. I absolutely love this. Right, time to crack on with it. Let's go find a shiny. So as relaxing as it was to be sitting down and crevicing bedrock, it took forever. I don't count time. An hour could pass by, 3, I wouldn't know the difference. But I reckon at least an hour passed by. So you can see here, I've got half a bucket pretty much ready to go. There's the sluice ready to go. I'll just show a little handful of dirt and see how we get on with sluice. Yeah, that's not too bad. I'm going to put you into fast frame mode as I work this through. As with last time, there's not really many places to put the camera. Right, let's crack on with it. Let's go find shiny. Okay, I've ran through the full bucket and I've got one thing here that's yellow that could be gold. I don't know, I'll find it in a second when I clean out the box. Hold on a second. Have a look at this and let me know if you think it's gold. I'll do a clean out on this and back to you in a second. Let's go find the shiny. This is the stuff that we ran through with the Cali earlier. Cali's just on the bank there. Right, work away this one then. Into the fronts, wash the front, 2 riffles. May want to work through it a little bit quicker. Right, that'll be fine. Let's work that on back. Remember, this is from half a bucket of 1/4 inch right on bedrock. Go on, 6 nuggets. One nugget will do me. Bleep. 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 Ah, bleep and bleep, bleep. Ah. Okay, fine. So is it just at that spot? Oh, fish. Baby fish. So, as you can clearly see, man and fish are coexisting. That's a shame. I was really hoping for better gold. I mean, where we are there, the wiry gold in the corner. Do you know what I think? Logically speaking, if you look at it here, look. See the way the water curves around here? This whole gravel bar is full, so this is going to be a floodplain. You probably will find flood gold up here, and it deposits all the sand, drop down a couple of feet through all that overburden, and you'll probably find nice gold as well. That's going to be too fast flowing again. It's going to be all be plummeted down. Sections of potential bedrock there, that might be an option, but again, it's too fast flowing. Any gold will be pulverized to bits. Finding wiry gold there, I'd say it's more than likely. It comes around the corner, pounds on through, gets caught in these rocks, too many of them to move. And before those rocks were originated, I'd say the gold just packed in behind and got into there. So I suppose if you were going to dig anywhere, I'd say over here under this tree where it's slowed down, and just I dug there because that's where I got gold. Right, well that's disappointing. I was hoping to call this a new gold deposit, but hey, never, that's life. I did find gold here the last day, and I'm fairly certain it came from there, but who knows. So I always allocate a little bit of time at the end of the day just to do a bit more assessing. It's really just in case you get to a point where you don't get as good a gold as you thought you were going to get, and always best to allocate time to be able to go and do a little bit more assessments. Like for example here today, you know, I didn't find a whole lot there. So what I might do is maybe later on after I wrap up here, I might do a little bit of sampling up there, maybe a little bit of sampling of the gravel bar up there. Definitely not sampling this. This is all overburden. But again, you just gotta do multiple samples and you see where the gold could be. Okay, a bit disappointing, but look, had a good day. You got to watch along for the journey. Let me know in the comments below if you like this new style of filming. That I say I just set up the camera in the background and you just watch it and I just do my own thing. Because it's, for me, it's so much easier. I'm actually enjoying it now. Where previously, if I go out my own, I say I'll go on my own, leave the cameras at home. This process, I get to enjoy it. So I hope you've enjoyed today's episode of whatever I happen to call it, the editing stage. If you like this video, chances are you like the videos I previously posted and the ones we post in the future. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and sure, catch you next one. We can all go, buy more shiny. Bye bye.